Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, man. It's my boy Will, man. I don't want to hear anything else about you guys giving him a problem or none of that. Because you know why? It's honorary Oos right here. Come on, Oos, throw the ones up, baby.
Tell Zilla.
Will. What's up, stranger?
Good, how are you? 아이스다가 그냥 달아놓을까? My friend DS.
High school Amanda.
RDP. How's it going? Zilla. The hard cam is on. Where the sign is? Hey?
Literally where you're shooting today.
That's gonna be the hard cam. It's gonna be a weird spot, yeah.
Hey, Will!
Good, how are you? Good to see you. I've always been Columbus, Ohio, yeah. I just made it.
Will made it.
Yeah. You ready for it tonight? Yeah. Yes, sir.
Should be opening momentarily. Just as a heads up, it is 4 o'clock, so the doors should be opening up.
Autograph 20.
It's unreal, Scott. It's 48. Heat wave. Come on, Armand, I just need you to sign. You already know. The main one, pulled up, Blizzard Brawl. Come on. Perfect. Sponsored by Cigars. Well, whatever his name is. Yes.
He started by Blue. That's cool.
Come on. I see Roxy everywhere. Now you know what to do, right? Everyone do it, though.
Yeah.
You know? Just a reminder. Yeah, I got you. All right, thanks. We got Blitz. Yo.
Daniel, what's up, sir?
How you doing, bud?
Just starting your video on my app. I'll give you a better shot. 1 second.
Want me to do that too?
Yes!
I'm a fan too. I'm a fan.
Oh, I'm good.
Whatever works, man.
I'm in charge. What's happening? It's me, the Zilla Fatu.
Welcome back, Harry.
Welcome back. Hey, Will's channel.
Good job. This one right here.
He loves me.
Got busy in a burst on
tonight.
Where you sit next to?
Yeah, I'm
I'm with David. I'm with David. Nice to meet you, Mr. Armando.
Amigo.
Amigo.
Is it on?
Yeah, it's
Just verifying that there's no scoundrels taking illegal video of this great event, Blizzard Brawl 2024.
I'm certified.
Not available on bootleg. Haha.
Will you join WWE?
Soon. Soon. I can't tell you when. Soon though. So you know what that means, right?
Yeah.
Every Monday Night Raw, every Friday Night SmackDown, you should be at that TV. But after you finish your chores, you know, after you clean your room, after you pass your classes, make sure, you know, you passing all your classes, not just one. Pass all of them, okay?
Yeah.
And then you're gonna see.
You better help Roman instead of Solo.
Dave, thank you, Oos, for the water. You remember?
Of course, man. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, man. It's my boy Will, man. I don't want to hear anything else about you guys giving him a problem or none of that. Because you know why? It's honorary Oos right here. Come on, Oos, throw the ones up, baby.
We're here at the world-renowned Blizzard Brawl. It's my first time here.
Sure.
Let's take a look. Look at all that. A lot of people here. It'll be very exciting. I'm going to win some OVW gold tonight.
Is it even recording? Okay, it is.
Okay. I hope it's recording. We got Jack Vaughn merch. Drove 6.5 hours. Not that bad. I've had worse. See a lot of people wearing Jack Vaughn shirts. That's a good sign. I'll hand it back.
He likes it.
We are not worthy. 1, 2, 3.
Tonight's the night. Tonight's the night. I got a lot of 58ers here today. Awesome. Tony.
How you doing? Good.
In the home of the brave.
Y'all better hit that subscribe button.